The Cotton Guru Mantra. Discover the economics of cotton for global prosperity. Which is the only crop in the world that provides clothing, food and fuel to mankind? Which is the only fiber in the world which is natural, eco-friendly and sustainable? One more question. Which is the fiber that has survived for thousands of years and still impacts the economies of many countries? Don't waste your time thinking. It is cotton. For over 7,000 years, cotton has remained the unique cash crop and a global commodity. It has played a very important role in the history of India, England and America. For India, cotton is the prime socio-economic and political cash crop. Indian cotton and cotton textiles dominated exports till the 19th century, but eventually lost its dominance mainly due to British exploitation and lack of visionary approach of the Indian leadership post-independence. India is the world's largest producer of cotton and second largest exporter since 2014-15. This was more by accident than by design, because the Indian farmers chose cotton over other crops. But things can worsen very fast if we ignore current warning signals. Imagine a day when India becomes the largest importer of cotton in the world. Though sounding absurd and impossible, this thought is very relevant in today's context. In India, there has been a rise in consumption but a drastic decline in cotton production for the last few years. Over 3 lakh farmers committed suicide between 1995 and 2015. Studies show that 76% farmers want to give up agriculture. Cotton Guru has seen it all. Cotton Guru has been the common thread in the entire fabric of cotton textile industry. Operating since 1903 in cotton farming, trade and advisory, Cotton Guru exhibits its tradition of trust through its 4th generation even today. With rich experience in cotton grading and marketing, Cotton Guru is India's one and only certified cotton valuer. Cotton Guru, with its impeccable reputation, farm-to-factory expertise and a network that's developed over a century, continues to provide solutions for the entire supply chain of the Indian cotton textile industry, with an aim to make India the world leader in cotton production and textile exports. During the last decade, Cotton Guru has personally met over 1 lakh farmers across 5,000 villages, conducting over 250 farmer training workshops. This gave birth to Cotton Guru Pradarshan Khet, or Evidence Farm Model Projects. These ensure profits for developers and improve quality cotton yield by at least 50% using the unique Cotton Guru Amrut pattern farming method. Promoting the mission of Swachh Cotton Abhiyan, Cotton Guru has done numerous projects and workshops for ginners, buyers and government bodies across India for productive partnerships, marketing linkages and forming farmer-producer organizations. Cotton Guru Media Division shares vital information and facilitates brand promotion via Cotton Guru newsletters and Cotton Guru Club membership. CSR activities by Cotton Guru for corporates and industries aim at enhancing the lives of poorest of farmers. For investors, Cotton Guru identifies profitable and sustainable business opportunities and facilitates investment in the textile industry with factual, unbiased expert advice. This leads to increase in farmers' income, strengthens supply chain and generates valuable foreign exchange, creating employment and entrepreneurship. Cotton Guru team also works on improving quality and yield to optimize natural cotton advantage for India and promote private investment and FDI in agriculture and textile. Cotton Guru firmly advocates to the government that farmers only need best quality seeds of the latest technology and uninterrupted supply of water and electricity for profitable agriculture. Cotton Conclave is the only platform in the world which brings farmers, manufacturers, researchers, policymakers and investors together. Cotton Conclave provides an invaluable platform for stakeholders to network and farmers to market their cotton to India's biggest ginners at a premium price. White papers released during the cotton conclaves have proved to be a roadmap for farmers and entire cotton textile industry for profitable and sustainable business and for government to frame effective policies. Cotton Forum, formed during the Cotton Conclave 2019, comprises leaders of topmost associations of India. This forum effectively implements sustainable solutions to burning issues of farmers and the industry. Membership strength of the forum is increasing rapidly. Cotton Guru truly lives its mission of discovering the economics of cotton for global prosperity. We must promote cotton as the most natural, sustainable and eco-friendly yet renewable resource and fully encash its utility value. As we sow, so shall we reap. And it is high time we sowed the seeds of prosperity by leveraging the economics of cotton. Let's join hands on a mission to make cotton the white gold again and make cotton farming to fabric business a traceable, profitable and a sustainable model. Let's secure our future in the ever-growing cotton textile industry worldwide by branding and promoting Made in India cotton and value-added textiles. Be the power, capture the opportunity, secure your future with Cotton Guru. बीज में हो जान तो कपास पहलवान तो खरीदार मेहरबान तो किसान उद्योग और देश धनवान. Cotton Guru remains your cotton friend from India since 1903.